squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, what I'm gonna be doing in this video, I washed my hair yesterday and put it in this low bun to be dried. So I haven't applied any products to my hair or anything, it's dry. So I realized that on my channel I haven't done the inside braids, inside cornrows, what you guys might call French braids. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my French braids for the first time on my channel. So for this hairstyle, I won't be using any gel in my hair. I just wanna take a little break from gels. I'm just gonna be moisturizing my hair and show you guys how I do these braids. So let's get right into the video. So like I said, I'm gonna be doing these two braids on freshly washed hair. I had my hair dried in a bun just to reduce the shrinkage, give my hair a little stretch so this hairstyle can look smooth and neater. Now I'm just gonna be splitting my hair down in the middle just to do these two braids. For this hairstyle, I'm gonna be using the Aussie Miracle Curls Leave-In Detangling Milk, also the Miracle Moist Intense Hydration Oil. Now I'm detangling my hair, combing through the products throughout my hair, making sure it's distributed everywhere, making sure my hair is moisturized completely. Okay, just a quick little detail. Just like when you're plaiting your hair, you do it in 3 sections. That's exactly what we'll be doing here. You're gonna have 3 pieces and you're just gonna be rotating the left piece into the middle, the right piece into the middle, then you continue left piece and then right piece. While you're rotating, you're just gonna be grabbing pieces. So left piece, right piece, and then you grab hair. I'm just gonna let this clip play in real time so you guys can see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna be doing the same thing for the next half, so just keep watching. So the plan was to do 2 French braids into 1 bun, but then I realized that the 2 buns look so cute, so I just went ahead and fixed the other side and do my little bun because I like those 2 little buns. Since I didn't use any gel on my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie a scarf just to keep down all flyaways, making my hair look laid and slayed. So this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. I like to communicate with you guys in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that thumbs up button, make it blue. Thank you so much for the support and for watching, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.